Hi, welcome to Kaz's Kitchen. Today we'll be making lemon butter chicken. And as such, I gathered a bunch of ingredients here that I'm going to present to you. About half a cup of all-purpose flour, a tad bit of salt, about 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of pepper, black pepper as well, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, a tablespoon of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of butter, about 3 cloves of garlic, sliced very thin, some parsley, about 1 tablespoon, more or less, half a teaspoon of lemon zest, half a cup of chicken stock, and a whole chicken breast that I split into half, pounded into about a third of a quarter thick. Each piece is about 5 ounces, give and take, and these are the main ingredients. And eventually, it's a wonderful dish that comes with pasta, so we'll be cooking some pasta on the side as well. So to start, I'm gonna set my stove on to medium-high heat. Okay, I'm gonna add my tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. And as that's melting, I'm gonna season the chicken. So while it's melting, I'm gonna season the chicken and coat it into flour. About a teaspoon of salt. Half of it for one side of the chicken with some pepper. I flip it over to the other side and do the very same thing. Just a tad bit of salt. And some pepper. Now, once that's done, I just take my chicken and coat it into the flour, just like that. Make sure you shake all the excess, just like that. I put it back onto the plate. Now that the oil has melted, I'm gonna add the chicken to the pan. And I'm gonna cook each side for 4 to 5 minutes overall. Now after 5 minutes, I'm gonna flip it to the other side, just like that. Now that I've seared the chicken on both sides, as you can tell, well browned, I'm going to remove them to a plate. And I'm going to add my chicken stock to the pot. Reduce my heat to about medium and scrape off all the brown bits at the bottom of the pan. Very, very simplistic dish. Now, once I scrape off all the bottom of the brown little part at the bottom of the dish, I'm gonna add my lemon juice as well. And I'm gonna bring it to a boil. The sauce has been simmering for a good 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add 3 leftover tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to stir it and let it melt. After the butter has melted, I add my lemon zest, and then I'm returning my chicken back to the sauce. Once it's started, just smooth some of the sauce over the chicken. Just warm it through until it's no longer pink inside. At this point, you can stop the dish in about 2 minutes, or it depends on how much you like your gravy. You like it thick, you like it runny, it's all up to you. But after 2 minutes, the dish is completely done. Now I'll finish it with my parsley. And we are ready to eat some unbelievable, wonderful, tasty chicken lemon butter. Now that the dish is done, I've made some pasta in the process. Let's taste it. Scoop some of the sauce on top of the pasta. Just like that. The chicken too. Unbelievable. Bon appetit. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you.